Welcome to KC Online IELTS Listening module. In this video, I will take you through the listening section of the IELTS test. The aim of this video is to familiarize you with the key challenges involved in this section, along with the strategies to deal with them successfully. I will quickly take you through the basics here. The listening section of the IELTS test is the same for both academic and general training students. Let us take a look at a standard IELTS listening section. This is how it will look like. This section consists of 4 audios. Each of these audios will have 10 questions associated with it. These questions are printed on your question paper. The difficulty level goes up with each audio. This means that audio 3 will be more difficult as compared to audio 2, and audio 4 will be the most difficult. This section takes about 30 to 35 minutes. The audios are about 7 to 8 minutes in length on average. Once the last audio ends, you get 10 minutes to transfer your answers to the answer sheet.